Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you what is and how to enable ProPilot Assist. Let's start with explanation. ProPilot Assist is Nissan hands-on driver assist technology. It's a level 2 semi-autonomous system designed to reduce the workload of highway driving by combining two main functions: keeping you centered in your lane and maintaining a set distance from the car ahead. How it works. The system uses forward-facing camera, forward-facing radar, and various sensors to monitor the road and traffic. When activated, it manages three primary tasks: intelligent cruise control, steering assist, and speed adjustment. And there are few key things to know. Let's start with hands-on system. This is not self-driving car. You must keep your hands on the steering wheel. If the system detects no steering input, it will provide alerts and eventually safely decelerate the vehicle. Operation conditions. It is specifically designed for highways with clear lane markings. It may struggle in or disengage in heavy rain, snow, or when lane lines are faded. And now let's go to activation. To activate this system, take a look at the steering wheel. On the right side, we've got this cruise control panel. Press blue button, which activates ProPilot Assist. You can see that ProPilot Assist is enabled by three lines under the digital speedometer. To start ProPilot Assist, make sure to fasten your seatbelt. Let me do it right now, so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, so seatbelts are fastened. Let's press this button to activate ProPilot Assist, here and here. And now let's push set button. And that's basically it. Remember to use it cautiously and mostly on highways. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go and your car will attach to the car in front of you. If you want to access settings of ProPilot Assist, take a look also at the steering wheel. Firstly, via this button, you can adjust distance from the following car. And if you want to access settings like lane assistant and more, press OK button. Now, you can activate steering assist, go back, and then using also OK button, scroll up to activate lane assistant, blind spot, emergency brake. In the end, thanks to ProPilot Assist, you can manage traffic sign assistant. To deactivate this function, again press blue button on the steering wheel. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.